Picking a prescription drug plan can be one of the most important healthcare decisions that you'll need to make if you happen to have traditional Medicare. But with a ton of different plan options and insurance carriers out there, the decision on which plan to pick can feel overwhelming. The makers of Medicare have a great and free tool that makes this selection process a lot easier. This tool factors in not only the expected premium that you will pay, but also your out-of-pocket cost, which will be based on largely which pharmacies you decide to shop at, and also which underlying prescriptions that you're taking. So now let's go to Medicare.gov and we will show you how to navigate to this free tool and help you make an informed decision on your Part D prescription drug benefit. Let's go there now. All right, so we go to Medicare.gov, and then from here, we click on Health and Drug Plans. So we click that drop down, and we're going to select the first option, Find Health and Drug Plans. Let's do that. Now we have two options. We could either log into our Medicare.gov account, or if we're just browsing, we can simply type our zip code in, the coverage period we're looking for. So we're looking forward-looking in 2026, so we'll type that in, our zip code, and we're going to click Continue. What type of plan do you want to find? So we are going to find a Medicare drug plan, Part D. Click Find Plans. Do you get help with your Medicare health or drug cost? So we are going to say, I don't get any help from these programs. If you happen to get help from the programs, you would just click off those boxes. Would you like to see your drug costs when you compare plans? Definitely, that's very important. So we select yes, click next. And now this is for a family member. So I'm going to type in Dupixent. Start typing it in, comes right up. Click Add Drug. And we are going to say that the default information that comes up is what we need, but we could always change this along with the frequency. Add to my drug list. We can add other drugs, but for now we're going to select Done Adding Drugs. Okay, so we're going to type in the zip code where we want to pick up our drugs, and we're going to select Find Pharmacies, and a lot of options come up. So let's check off mail order. We'll check off CVS. We'll check off Walgreens, and we can select up to 5 different pharmacies to compare. So why don't we go with ShopRite? You see there's a lot of other CVS and Walgreens that come up. And you know what? Let's select Rose Pharmacy as well. We will click in the bottom right-hand corner, Continue to View Plans. We do that. And we are showing 10 of 12 drug plans. And it's sorted by the lowest drug plus premium cost. We could also filter by lower monthly premium or lowest yearly drug deductible. Now on top, we see the first option is the Humana Basic RX Plan PDP. It has 3 stars. The monthly premium is a little over $4 a month. And we see for this particular medication, if I go to a retail pharmacy or a mail order pharmacy, I'm going to pay approximately the same total cost, which is nearly $2,200. And let's say I want to compare this. We're going to click Compare. The next option, WellCare Value Scripts, gets a 0.5-star additional rating. We're going to click Add to Compare. We're going to continue to scroll down. Another Humana plan, HealthSpring plan, Horizon Blue Cross, AARP. We will add this to compare. And then once we're all done, we're going to click Compare. And you see, just based on where we are, we're looking at 3 different plans here with a huge difference in monthly premiums. So you see the Humana plan is $4.20 per month. WellCare is $22.80, and the AARP UHC plan is $77.40 per month. All three plans have the same drug deductible. All plans do cover this at the pharmacies that I selected. And then what is crazy, right? If we look at the WellCare value plan and we were considering mail order pharmacy, while most of the other costs are anywhere between $2,000 and $3,000, for whatever reason, this plan is coming up for mail order pharmacy at nearly $58,000 per year. So may want to avoid that one due to costs. And if we want to see the plan details, here's all the plan details. We have your premium, drug costs, so you're going to hit the drug out-of-pocket maximum on every plan. We can click drug coverage. It's showing that it is covered. And you can see that the cost is the same among all the different pharmacies that we've selected. Finally, we'll click star rating. And you see that this plan got 3 stars out of 5. And here's the reason why it got its different ratings. So customer service, great customer service, 5 out of 5. Member complaints, 4 out of 5. Member experience with drug plan, 3 out of 5. Drug safety and accuracy of drug pricing, 2 out of 5. And then overall, if you look at all these metrics, the government through Medicare is giving it 3 stars. And that's the tool in the nutshell. One important comment to note: for any covered prescription for 2026, the maximum out-of-pocket that you will have is $2,100, but note that this excludes the cost of the premium that you'll have to pay to your insurance carrier on a monthly basis. Now, we want to hear from you guys. What do you think of the Medicare Part D Drug Finder tool? Comment below.